Hello everyone, here we've got iPhone and let me show you how to create Tik Tok Collage on this device. So at first you need to open your TikTok app and then tap on plus icon. Now go to templates and pick collage. Tap on upload photos and you can upload up to 6 photos. So let me choose some 6 pictures and then tap on OK. Wait till it's uploaded. And here you've got it. Now you can customize it, so you can add some filter. Then let me leave it this way. Then you can also add some effects if you want to. So let me zoom it a bit, for example, here. Then you can add anything you want, so just scroll through all the visual motion, transition and speed effects and then apply it to your video as only you wish to have it. And then tap on save, click on next, and here smoothly describe your post, and this is how it will look like. And this is it. From now on you don't have to use any other application. You can smoothly create this collage over here in TikTok, then smoothly post it. And that will be all. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.